And let's cut straight across to the live images that are coming in right now from the Tihar jail, where Arvind Kejriwal is expected to walk out any time now. The order of release of bail has reached the Tihar jail. So now it's just a question of formalities being completed in Tihar. And then Arvind Kejriwal will be out. These are images on your screens. It's pouring. But you've got all of the AAP leaders there standing in that downpour, refusing to let their spirits be dampened by the heavy rain, and all of them chanting slogans there, standing atop and cheering on the AAP workers. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on this. Amit, for the AAP workers, celebrations have kicked off any time now. We're hearing in the next 5 to 10 minutes, Arvind Kejriwal is expected to walk out.
True, Akshata, there are 2 points of celebration. One at Tihar jail, the second where I'm standing right now, outside the residence of Chief Minister of Delhi. These are enthusiastic AAP workers who are dancing on the whole beats right now. And let me tell you, it's been raining out here, drizzling out here, but that has not stopped any of these AAP workers from, not celebrating this moment that they have been waiting for quite some months now. And especially because 2023 has been year of legal trouble for Aam Aadmi Party, and from August 2024, that picture has started to change. Manish Sisodia, Vijay Nair, and now Arvind Kejriwal to step out from Tihar jail, and a road show will be held from Changi Ram Akhada to this point where I'm standing right now. Let's cut across to these AAP workers as well who are charged up. रोड शो करेंगे मुख्यमंत्री, आप लोग स्वागत करने जा रहे हैं तो मुख्यमंत्री रोड शो भी करेंगे।
पहले तो मैं देश को यह संदेश देना चाहता हूं कि आज बाबा साहब भीमराव के संविधान का जीत हुआ है, सत्य की जीत हुई है। एक देश में जब तानाशाह कोई आता है और लोकतंत्र को कुचलने की कोशिश करता है तो बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर का संविधान उसके सामने खड़ा होता है। आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिल गई, इससे सिद्ध हो गया कि कहीं न कहीं सीबीआई जो है वो केंद्र सरकार के तोता के रूप में काम करती है, ईडी तोता के रूप में। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा भी है कि तोता बनना यह देश की सीबीआई बंद करे, और आज हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं के अंदर, नेताओं के अंदर एक जोश है।
वाला लगता रहेगा आरोप, लेकिन आप लोगों का
I'm going to come back to you. I want to take this across to Shreya Chatterjee, because on the right of your screens are the images from Tihar jail. Manish Sisodia, Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann, Sanjay Singh, all standing there soaked in the rain but chanting slogans, leading the celebrations for the Aam Aadmi Party. Shreya, what's happening around you? We see scores of AAP workers. It's pouring down heavily, but they're not letting it deter, they dampen their spirits in any way.
Well, absolutely. So, Akshata, we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal step out any moment from now. The wait turned a little bit longer because of the traffic snarls that actually was there because of the weather conditions. But finally, the bail order has already reached the Tihar jail. And any time now, we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal stepping out of gate number 3 of the Tihar jail. Initially, he was supposed to step out of gate number 4, but because of the traffic conditions, this was a special request made by the Delhi police. And now, any moment, Akshata, we will see Arvind Kejriwal step out of gate number 3, from where he will directly head to his residence in 6 Flagstaff March Road, Civil Lines.
Okay, so Shreya, in fact, is joining us from gate number 3. The celebrations are happening at another gate, but we're expecting that Arvind Kejriwal, Shreya, will meet with the AAP leaders there. There will be that massive photo op moment as well, after which he will head to his residence. And through that entire stretch, there's no doubt that AAP workers will line up to celebrate the release of, in fact, the AAP Supremo. Shreya, just stay with me. I want to bring in Sneha Mordani, who's also joining us live from another vantage point outside Tihar jail. And Sneha, behind you, I understand all of the AAP leadership is there, drenched in the rain, but leading the celebrations. Sneha, can you hear me?
Yes, Akshata, I didn't get your question, but I think you're asking me about the insane celebrations that have broken out right outside Tihar jail. Now, it's raining very, very heavily. We're all drenched here. But as far as the workers are concerned, if I could just ask Pawan to show you, right behind me is Bhagwant Mann and Manish Sisodia. Both of them are here to lead, in fact, the celebrations that have broken out outside the Tihar jail. Any time the Delhi Chief Minister will be walking out a free man after being in jail for 6 months. So the workers are celebrating here. There's dhol, there's nagara, firecrackers are going off in that sense. Early Diwali for the Aam Aadmi Party workers. And why not? They have in fact seen a period over the last few months or so with the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, the founding members, Manish Sisodia, who also in fact was behind bars. Other top leaders also have in fact been behind bars in different cases, particularly the Delhi Chief Minister, who's facing allegations of corruption in the alleged liquor scam, of facing allegations of getting kickbacks. Manish Sisodia walked out a couple of weeks ago, and today is the turn of the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, who continues to be the Chief Minister. But as we know, once he steps out, he can't be discharging his duties as the Chief Minister. But nonetheless, in just about 6 months from now, sometime in early 2025, which is February, Delhi is going to go to polls. Haryana, of course, is poll-bound as well, where the Aam Aadmi Party has stakes. And this comes as a huge morale booster for the Aam Aadmi Party, given that the national convener, the boss of the Aam Aadmi Party, is going to be walking out a free man. Now, expect the Aam Aadmi Party to cash in upon this as an opportunity. They're already talking about this being political vendetta. They've also spoken about the fact that today the Supreme Court made some scathing observations, talking about the perception that the CBI holds in terms of being a cage parrot. You need to uncage, is what the Supreme Court has said. Of course, there were different opinions from 2 judges today, but the result was the same, that there will be relief for the Delhi Chief Minister. There is no need to keep him behind bars anymore. And right here where I am, the Delhi Chief Minister will be walking out a free man. From gate number 3 is what is expected where we are. You can see the huge crowds, the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party who've gathered here to in fact welcome him, expecting him to go home straight where his parents are, where his wife, where his children are. And the Aam Aadmi Party is going to continue to display rather show of strength and show of unity, that they're going to be fighting the elections together and that they are in this together. They're going to be taking on the Bharatiya Janata Party, whom they allege to have in fact a chokehold over important institutions in the country like the CBI, like the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, the Delhi Chief Minister was in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate up until the month of June. And in the month of June, the CBI took custody of the Delhi Chief Minister, a move in fact that was questioned by the Supreme Court, at least by one judge of the Supreme Court today. Pictures are of celebration that continue right outside Tihar Jail. Yes, there is chaos, there is mayhem, but the workers are jubilant, given that Arvind Kejriwal today is going to be walking out Akshita, a free man.
All right, Sneha, we're going to keep coming across to you for those live updates. Stay on with us. Sneha was referring to the conditions that have been imposed on Arvind Kejriwal for bail. So let's kind of recap for you what's happened in the Supreme Court earlier today, how bail was granted to Kejriwal, and also importantly, the criticism that came the way of the CBI from the top court judge.
Big relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court on Friday granted him bail in the CBI case in the alleged excise policy scam. The 2-judge bench of Justices Surya Kant and Ujjwal Bhuyan was unanimous in the decision to grant bail. The court pointed out the charge sheet has already been filed and the trial is unlikely to be completed soon. The 2 judges, however, wrote different verdicts. While Justice Surya Kant held Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI to be legal, Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan came down heavily on the central agency. Justice Bhuyan said that the CBI case against Kejriwal was filed on August 17, 2022, but his arrest took place on June 26, 2024. The judge said the CBI did not feel the need to arrest Kejriwal for 22 months. Justice Bhuyan ruled that Kejriwal's arrest appeared strategically timed to frustrate his bail in the Enforcement Directorate case. The judge further urged the CBI to dispel the image of being a caged parrot. Justice Bhuyan stated that the CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion.
Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuvan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
The bail conditions are the same as listed by the Supreme Court in the ED case. Kejriwal will have to refrain from public comments on the liquor case. He cannot attend Chief Minister's office and is barred from signing official files, but he can sign files that require to be sent to the LG. He is required to fully cooperate with the trial court. The Aam Aadmi Party mounted a fierce attack on the CBI, accusing the agency of acting under political pressure. Party leaders demanded the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah, calling the arrest an act of political vendetta.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेंच ने यहाँ तक कह दिया कि क्यों मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर ये कंडीशंस लगाई गई हैं कि वो सचिवालय नहीं जा सकते, फाइलें साइन नहीं कर सकते, मेरी समझ के बाहर है। मगर क्योंकि दूसरी बेंच ने ये कंडीशंस लगाई हैं, इसलिए इसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते हैं। कोर्ट ने साफ तौर पे कह दिया कि देश की प्रीमियर एजेंसी बदले की भावना से, कपट छल से काम कर रही है। मुझे लगता है गृह मंत्री को एक दिन भी अपनी सीट पे रहने का हक खत्म हो गया है।
केजरीवाल की बेल से जनता को कोई फायदा होने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी मिठाइयां बांट रही है क्योंकि उनको जनता से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, अपने भ्रष्टाचार से लेना देना है। और मुजरिम केजरीवाल जो जेल से छूटे हैं बेल पर कंडीशंस के साथ, उनकी बेल पर खुशी मनानी है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली तो भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है और उस भ्रष्टाचार में का फैसला आएगा तो जेल तो जाना ही है।
Kejriwal comes out of jail at a time assembly elections are taking place in Haryana. His campaign will be closely watched as AAP is contesting the elections on its own. With Kanu Sarda and Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.